Students, in this video, we will revise chapter number 1 History of Computers. As we already know, a computer is a great machine. In earlier days, a computer was a big machine that required space like a complete room. But now, a computer has been reduced from a bulky machine to as small as that of a notebook. Eras of computer. First, manual era. In earlier times, the device used for performing calculation is called abacus. Simple addition and subtractions can be carried out rapidly with the help of abacus. It stands for Abundant Beats Addition and Calculation Utility System. Second, mechanical era. The first mechanical calculator was developed by Wilhelm Sickhard. Blaise Pascal, a great mathematician, developed another mechanical adding machine called Pascaline, which could add and subtract numbers. Third, electric era. The Universal Automatic Computer was the first commercial large scale digital computer produced in 1951. During the period of late 1940s and 1950s, many other stored program computers were developed. The technological development in computers and technology can be divided into five categories: first generation, second generation, third generation, fourth generation, and fifth generation. The first generation computers used vacuum tubes as the basic component for memory. These tubes produced a lot of heat and were prone to frequent damage, therefore, they are very expensive and could be afforded only by very large organizations. Second generation computer used semiconductor transistors instead of vacuum tubes, which were cheaper, consumed less power, more compact in size, more reliable, and faster than the vacuum tubes. The third generation computers used integrated circuits as the main technology. These computers were small in size, had huge storage capacity, and more reliable. Very large scale integration circuits were used in fourth generation computers. They were very cheap, very small in size, portable, and reliable. The fifth generation machines are based on artificial intelligence. This provides the ability to reason logically. These computers are still in development. Computer languages. Language is a source of communication among the human beings. Language is a medium to express our views and feelings. To communicate with computer, we also need a language. A program is a set of instructions which tells the computer what to do. And the process of writing a program is called programming. Computer languages are categorized as follows. The following table lists the feature of languages of all generations. Machine language. Machine language uses binary code. It is machine dependent and it is the only language that can be directly understood by the computer. Assembly language uses mnemonics codes or symbols. It is machine dependent and needs translator while working. That is assembler. Assembler convert the assembly language into the machine language. Next, high level language. It uses English words and mathematical operators. It is machine dependent and it needs language translator like interpreter and compiler. Interpreter translate the high level language program into the machine language line by line and are slow in execution speed. And compiler convert high level language program into machine language at once and execute it at one time. The execution is very fast. Software packages. It is machine dependent, minimal user skills required to obtain results. Expert system. It is based on artificial intelligence and emphasize on making computer more smarter. Characteristics of computer. Speed. A computer works very fast and can do large number of calculations quickly as compared to a human being. Accuracy. Computers do not commit errors and are capable of handling complex instructions accurately. Reliability. It refers to the quality of a computer system to perform consistently well and complete its duty on time without failure. Versatility. A computer can perform a variety of tasks. It can be used in almost all fields such as education, science, and technology, business, etc. Storage. A computer can store a large amount of data which can be used anytime. Multitasking. A computer can do many tasks at the same time. Calculating devices. Abacus. Abacus was the first mechanical device for calculations. Charles Babbage. Charles Babbage, a British mathematician, is considered as the father of computing. He invented the analytical engine and difference engine, which became the base of today's computers. Blaise Pascal, a French mathematician, invented the first mechanical calculator, Pascaline calculator. Napier's bones. Napier's bones was invented by Sir John Napier, a Scottish mathematician in 1616. He is known as the discoverer of logarithm. Thank you.